Welcome to the 10th tutorial on Theme A. We will be looking at what makes a diverse community, how to make diverse communities work, and why community cohesion is important. Community cohesion means creating a community where there is a sense of belonging for all communities and people's different backgrounds are valued. Democracy means government by the people, either directly or through elected representatives. Integration means bringing different groups of people together in society. A diverse community is made up of people with lots of different identities, which may be based on gender, ethnicity, religion, age, disability or social class. Across the UK there are many examples of diverse communities. Many cities, like Manchester, have a mix of people from different ethnic and religious groups. Most places have a mix of different ages, but some areas have more younger or older people. For example, Fallowfield and Manchester has a median age of 22. However, in Wilmslow, the median age is 47. In lots of places, people with different identities get along happily, but sometimes there can be tensions between different groups. These tensions can lead to fallouts or sometimes even riots. Schools, local government and other organizations are expected by the government to help community cohesion. They all have statements on the way they encourage community cohesion. Oldham Youth Council works with different services and organizations to make sure that young people are able to shape and influence decisions that affect their lives. They aim to promote and encourage activities, events and opportunities for young people and encourage communication between young people with the local and national government. They also want to raise the profile of young people in a positive way. They represent the young people of Oldham and national and regional initiatives, such as the British Youth Council and the UK Youth Parliament. They work on projects and campaigns that address issues that affect young people. They ensure that everyone is aware of the needs of young people who experience disadvantage or are unable to speak for themselves. At Cedarmount Academy, we celebrate Black History Month in October and Asian History Month in March. The aims of these months is to raise awareness of issues that affect these communities, celebrate the culture and achievements of Black and Asian people. We also focus on the contributions of these communities through themed menus at lunchtime, promote books written by Black and Asian authors in the school library and run house competitions that educate students on Black and Asian icons. Here are some photos taken during Black History Month and Asian History Month at CMA. If everyone is to play their part in society, they need to live together happily. If there is friction, people often will not want to join in. If communities are integrated, people are more likely to participate. To become a UK citizen, people must know some English and take a test which shows that they have some understanding of the country's history, how democracy works and the features of everyday life. This helps them to feel part of the community and they will be more likely to participate in the UK's democratic society. In the exam you might be asked to explain why community cohesion is important, or why people who are integrated are more likely to participate in society.
We go together like Rama Rama Rama, ding 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 dong, remember forever as you